let's get back to the basics. Let's do a basic cornrow. This one we are going to part off large so that way you guys can actually see what you're doing. So get yourself a decent sized part and then you want to clip away the rest. Alright, so go ahead and comb out your section. Make sure that it's smooth and you don't have any kinks in the hair because that will mess up your tension in your braid. Then we're going to take the top section and split that section into 3. Now we're going to take our right index finger and go under your middle strand and grab your left strand. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Now grab that loose hair and then take that index finger, go under the middle strand and grab your right strand. Same thing, grab that loose strand, then take your index finger, go under your middle strand and grab the left strand. Now we're going to add the hair to connect to make the cornrow. You're going to take that hair and put it in between your index finger and your thumb. So grab a little hair and pinch it closed. Now we're going to do what we did earlier. Grab that loose strand and that's going to be your left outside strand. So you're going to grab that index finger, go under the middle and grab your right. Now we're going to add some hair from the right side into the index finger and thumb and then we're going to pinch it closed. So grab your hair, add it in there, pinch it closed. And then grab that strand on the outside and go under the middle strand again. And then you're going to repeat all the way down. If you guys need to rewind this back to go back and see those strands again, go ahead. I'm about to go all the way down this strand so you guys can see how your hands will start to change. Right now the hand is more lifted. As you guys go down towards the back of the head, your hands are going to fold down more. But you never really want to pull down too early because that's how you have it where your braid slides. So try to keep your hands up in an upright position instead of holding them downwards towards your thumbs closer towards the back of the head. If you do it that way, it makes it where your hand is not dragging the braid all the way down to the back of the head. And it makes it where it's less tension on the client because you're keeping your hands up while you're actually braiding it all the way down. Another quick tip is always running your hands through the rest of the hair when you braid down. This way you don't end up with a knot at the end of your braids. So always run your fingers all the way through so that way you separate the hair that's at the ends and it doesn't turn into a knot. Okay, I wanted to get this from a different angle so that way you guys can see the index finger go under the middle strand and then you grab onto the left strand. And then you're going to do the same thing. Take that loose hair that's out now, grab that and go under that middle strand, and then we're going to grab the right strand. And you're going to do the same thing again. Grab the loose strand, index finger goes under that middle strand, and then we're ready to grab the hair. All right, let's go ahead and braid us another braid. All right, so that is the end to this braid tutorial. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have any other back to the basic videos that you guys want, let me know. And that's it. That's how you do a cornrow. See you guys in the next video.